Mobius Motors is the only homegrown car maker. The journey started in 2011 when we were founded by Joel Jackson, and our dream is only one: to make sure we bring affordable, reliable vehicles in the market in Kenya and in Africa, especially at the price of a used imported vehicle. Mobius is very unique in the sense that as a homegrown car maker, when you look at the Mobius 2, for example, we have very high local content. 25% of the vehicle is developed locally. So we do the design in-house, all the manufacturing, and we use local suppliers. So when you look at the extended value chain that we provide to the economy, not just by direct employment here at Mobius, but also all the employment we create throughout the value chain, that is very unique compared to a completely built, imported used vehicle. The President put out a challenge to the car manufacturing sector, which was bringing an affordable vehicle into the market, and it's called the Affordable Car Proposal. And in that proposal, Mobius has been championing the reassessment of the tax structure we have, for example, in the country, to make sure we have the right incentives, not just for us as a manufacturer, but also for the suppliers that we have out there, and also tax incentives for the consumers ultimately, to make sure that they're getting the maximum benefits of buying a local product versus that of a used imported vehicle. We have spent a lot of money in making sure we have world-class manufacturing technologies here in the country. From the equipment, we've invested heavily in our facilities. Over 350 million shillings invested in our manufacturing facility. So the myth I would like to debunk is that when you're buying something local, that some shortcut has been taken. We definitely do not do that. We can definitely be confident with our consumers that we're giving them a very quality product, and we're investing locally in our people, training our skilled labor, and of course passing the value chain throughout the suppliers.
There was an opportunity we saw. For 17 years, I've been inspecting and auditing garment manufacturers in 10 African countries. And during that time, I just saw the opportunity of us as a Kenyan actually setting up a factory in Kenya and making that impact. In this particular space, the struggles that I went through was because of lack of that information. And that's why now I'm willing to give as much information as possible to those who are interested in getting into this space. Majority of the EPZ factories are foreign owned. So when they come into Kenya, they're able to set up, but they already have established suppliers for them. And it's easy for them to operate. For us, we did not have that access to the raw materials, to the accessories, to the suppliers, or the machinery. In the very first 5 years of your operation, you need to be very present in your facility. Every single day you can be there, because the decisions that you make, the solutions that you come out with, that you solve, will help you understand how this business really runs.